Hi, we are now going to see some definitions about the securities, computer security, network security, and internet security. First of all, computer security is the process of preventing and detecting unauthorized use of your computer. Uh, Unauthorizingly, one should not be able to access our data in the computer. So, the way of giving the protection to the computer is that computer security. Network security is during transmission. Network is for sharing. The main use of network is sharing of resources and data. So during transmission, the protection should be given, that is the protection should be given for the data and the resources, that is a network security. And internet security is protecting data during the transmission over a collection of interconnected network. It is this one is individual unit. If that is connected in a network, what type of security is to be given, that study is network security. If the same node is connected to the internet, then the security mechanisms measures, that study is internet security. Yes. The basic requirement for that security is this: the computer security concepts. We can also call this as the building blocks of information security. We call this as a CIA triad. That is, here we C stands for confidentiality, I stands for integrity, and A for availability. Let us see what is confidentiality. Confidentiality is sensitive information or a secret information. Secret means the others should not be able to know that. That is secret. Only the intended person can see that. Should be able to see the information. Others should not come to know that. Example: bank account statement. Only the account holder may be able to see the statement. Others should not see that. In such a way, the protection should be given. If that is given, that is ensured, that is the confidentiality. How can we break this? The hackers can crack the password and come to know about the password, and then they come to know the every transaction. They can get all the thing, all privileges, if once the password is known to the other person. uh, the more security should be given. Even though the password is known, then the next level is normally nowadays, in olden days they may be able to, if once the ATM card and the password is known, the other may be able to do the transaction some years ago. But then now in the net banking, to overcome that, in a net banking, OTP is sent. That is next level of security to avoid this type of leakages in the confidentiality. And how can we ensure is more protection, that is biometric verification can be given. Once sometimes username and password can be cracked and becomes a authorized person, but later the biometric is required. If a biometric is verified, this type of attacks can be denied. And the next security tried, one of the requirement is the integrity. That is, during transmission, if unauthorized an intruder changes, that is in another attack. That should not be done. That is the integrity. For example, the various attacks can be done, that is hijacking. We can session hijacking during the transmission with the the third party gets that data and make changes into that. That is hijacking, session hijacking. Man in the middle, the intruder comes in the middle of the transaction and makes an attack, that is changing. For example, let me say an example. If suppose A is transmitting 10,000 rupees to B, in the man in the middle comes and changes the 10,000 or 10 lakhs. So that it creates a problem. But unauthorizedly, the third person unknowingly, without the knowledge of a sender and the receiver, third person comes in between and making changes into that content. That attack is a man in the middle attack. This is to be avoided. various encryption algorithms, various digital signature verifications will be provided to stop this type of attack. We will be studying in detail in this paper later in the coming units. While next important security requirement is availability. This availability is a that issue is denial of service attack. Sometimes if the authorized person not be able to access that, if we deny that service to the authorized persons, that is availability. Sometimes it will be done by the attacker. So this to be avoided, we have to ensure these security requirements for the users. Additional concepts for the security are authenticity and the accountability. Authenticity is verifying the user and the making trust, that is that data originally comes from the trusted source. So these confidence, this is a verification is the authenticity, and accountability is keeping track of all the activities. In case of any disputes comes in the future, we may be able to track that and get that analysis and can analyze what had gone wrong. This requirement is accountability. These two are the additional concepts for security. Thank you.